Hello, my name is Alex Fernandez and I'm a reporter for Life News Today. I recently wrote an article on the Australian bushfires which have been going on since December of last year. It is a real tragedy that these animals have been suffering for as long as they have been. The fires are still active and have consumed over 1.7 million acres of natural habitat, killing over 500 million animals. Australia is a diverse continent, with most of the animal and wildlife populations dwindling to near extinction. Over the course of these fires, it is very likely that some of those animals which are near extinction are already extinct. Government officials have pushed to donate over $2 million in the Animal Relief Fund so that shelters can relocate and rehabilitate these animals that were caught in the flames. Immense effort has been made by firefighters and locals who have risked their lives in order to save these animals. This has been Alex Fernandez with Life News Today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe